Today I wanted to talk to you about this MAC highlighter. This is the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Soft and Gentle. And first of all, I just think that is such a lovely name for a highlighter. Soft and gentle, of course, that's what we want highlighters to be. We don't want them to be crazy intense. Well, maybe we do. But for an everyday highlighter, I really recommend this. I first got into this when I was getting my makeup done for my wedding, and the makeup artist used MAC products, and she suggested that I buy the various products that I would be using. And so I bought one of these in 2014, and believe it or not to say that I don't use highlighter every day, but it lasted me almost 4 years. But I do use very little of it. But maybe it's also a testament to how good the product is. So I decided it is time, and I bit the bullet and I went out and I got a new one. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is different from the one I had from 4 years ago, obviously, but I think it's nice. And if you look in there, you know, you can see it's just a very gentle highlighter. Oops. It's like a contact lens. Hello. So we'll remove that. And I don't think the camera does it justice, but look how beautiful that is. Oh my God. It's just so nice. And like, I don't know, maybe it looks a little bit intense, but if you see, like, if I put it on, it's, you know, it's a little bit subtle and it just looks so nice on. And honestly, you really don't have to use that much of this. And I found this color is good for my skin tone. You know, I'm more on the pale side and with pinky undertones, but I just think this is so beautiful. It's kind of a warm color, and it looks really sparkly, at least when I'm looking at it. But I find on, you know, it just, I don't know. It's a little bit subtle, but I just think it's so beautiful, and I love this. And so I look forward to using this for another few years, but I love this. So it's the MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter, or the MAC Skin Finish in Soft and Gentle. It is like lovely, soft and gentle, amazing. Yes, I love it. And if you're interested in more videos like these, feel free to tap down there on that little old subscribe button. And if you even hit that bell icon, you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye!